CO2 concentration in the atmosphere is borderless. If all of the CO2 is being emitted in the US or in Canada, people in Africa will feel it. People in Asia will feel it. Everybody's gonna feel it. So if we can try to devise means of getting the concentration down, everybody is going to feel the benefit as well. I'm Timilehin Oguntuyaki. I'm an environmental geoscientist, and I'm from Nigeria, specifically Osun State, Nigeria. Currently, I'm in my second year of my PhD. I'm studying the CO2 sequestration potential of mine tailings in Newfoundland. At home, I spend time with my family. I'm not someone that goes out a lot, but I enjoy my time in my space with my family. We can run around, we can joke, we can watch movies. Now summer is coming, I enjoy playing soccer a lot. So almost every weekend I'm out there playing soccer. So I was in the Polytechnic in Nigeria in my first year. I was actually studying for an exam, and I went to the library, and instead of focusing on the exam that I had, I just bumped into this newspaper. And then when I read it, I read about lead poisoning. Lead is a mineral, by the way. Lead poisoning. And how did it happen? Many people depend solely on a water system in a particular village in northwestern part of Nigeria, and many people drank that water. Most people depend on it, and then people died, pregnant women, children. And reading that newspaper actually was devastating for me, because it was actually a national disaster. I said, okay, I think I would like to know more about it. So it became a thing, it became a growing passion in me. I think Newfoundland is one of the best places to do the kind of research that I'm doing in Canada for many reasons. The first one is that the feedstock to react CO2 with to form carbonate is in Newfoundland, ultramafic rocks. We have a lot of them. We have wet and windy weather in Newfoundland, which allows for water to precipitate and then to react with the rocks. So if it were a dry province, it wouldn't be that appropriate or suitable for my research. But we have wet and windy, which means that water will come from everywhere. We have water, access to water. We have wind, which carries air, and by extension CO2. So we have all of the things that we need to undertake my research in Newfoundland. Remember, I talked about my passion for studying geology in the first instance. It's a burning passion. So that's one thing. Another thing is I've got a really good supervisor at MON. So we have always kept the line of communication open. I knew this person wants the best for me. I knew the research was best for me. I knew it perfectly aligned with my life goal. This heroic mindset of trying to save the world and all that, you can't do all of that, but you can start from somewhere. So I found this research at MON as a meaningful way of doing something tangible in the society. Even though I am not studying how lead cannot kill people, I'm studying what is much more bigger than lead. What is, because CO2 concentration in the atmosphere is borderless. Everybody's gonna feel it. I would say I'm fulfilling my goals, my life goal. I would say I'm fulfilling through this PhD. I think I was led to come here to enjoy, all the good things of life.